Hello friends, today we will study the poem Good Morning and learn its questions and answers. So watch the video till the end. Friends, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe to watch such videos. So friends, let us start. I will read the poem. You can repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning sky.
Good morning, sky.
Good morning sun.
Good morning, sun.
Good morning little winds that run.
Good morning, little winds that run.
Good morning birds.
Good morning, birds.
Good morning trees.
Good morning, trees.
And creeping grass and the brownie bees.
And creeping grass and brownie bees.
How did you find out it was day?
How did you find out it was day?
Who told you night had gone away?
Who told you night gone away?
I am wide awake.
I am wide awake.
I am up now too.
I am up now too.
I will be right out to play with you.
I will be right out to play with you.
Here, the child wake up in the morning and see outside the window. She see the sun is shining in the sky. The cool little wind is running. The birds and bees are singing on the trees and bushes, which tells us that the night had gone and the day has come. She says to all her friends, that is sun, trees, wind, birds and bees, that she has woke up and she will be coming out to play with them all. Now let us see the new words we learned. Creeping. Creeping means growing or crawling. The word creeping is used with the word grass, which grows daily. Awake. To get up in the morning after sleep or to wake up. Gone away means is over or is ended or is past. Now let us learn the questions and let's see their answers. Question number 1. Why is the child in the poem happy? The child is happy because it is morning and she can go out to play with her friends. You can also write the sky, sun, winds, birds, trees, grass and bees in place of her friends. Question 2. To whom does the child say good morning? The child says good morning to the sky, the sun, birds, trees, grass and the bees. Question 3. What does the child want to do? The child wants to go out and play with the sky, sun, winds, birds, trees, grass and bees. Now let us see the next exercise. Talk time. In the morning I say good morning. At night I say good night. How do you say good morning in your own language to your friends and to your teacher? You can say Suprabhat to your friends in Hindi, or you can say good morning. You can say Suprabhat or Namaste ma'am or good morning ma'am to your teacher. Next question. How would you wish them when you leave the school in the evening? You can wish them by saying goodbye friends, see you tomorrow and good day teacher. Now let's see the next exercise. Talk time. A dog says bow bow. A cow says moo moo. Few more animals and their sounds are given here for your understanding. A cat says mew mew. A bee says buzz. A crow says cow cow. A duck says quack quack. A frog says croak croak. A horse says nee nee. And the sound of the elephant is called trumpet. Now let's see word building. There are few rhyming words in the poem. Let's find out the rhyming words and say them aloud. Bees, trees. Day, away. To, you. Sun, run. How, now. Night, right. Now let's see one practice exercise. Match the rhyming words given below. Sun, fun. Night, right. Bee, see. Told, cold. Let us see one more practice question. Write opposite meaning words. Little, big. Night, day. Awake, asleep. Up, down. Out, in. Now, later. Away, near. Right, wrong. Now let's move to the next question. What do you see around you during the day and at night? Draw in the two boxes given below and color the pictures. I have shown the two pictures here for your reference. You can draw your own way and color it. Let's see the next question. Write two words each from the two pictures you have drawn. In the day picture, we see sun, birds, trees, and in the night picture, we see moon, stars, lights. Now let's see next part of the exercise, teen time. Dinner. This is mud. A big fat worm lives in the mud. A leaf falls in the mud. It is the worm's dinner. This is a short story. In this story, it is told that a big fat worm lives in the mud. One day, a leaf falls in the mud and it is the worm's dinner. Friends, night meal is called dinner. Then, what does the morning meal is called? The morning meal is called breakfast. And what does the afternoon meal is called? The afternoon meal is called lunch. Now friends, let us see what do we eat during breakfast, lunch and dinner. During breakfast, we take milk, bread butter or bread jam and fruits. During lunch, we take chapati, vegetable, dal rice, and during dinner, we take chapati, curry, dal rice, vegetable. Now let's see the next question. Form groups. Tell each other an interesting thing you have seen in the garden one day. Friends, when we go to the garden, we see many interesting things there. We see different colorful birds on the trees, many colorful butterflies on the flowers. We see different slides and swings. We see children enjoy playing in the fountain. We see many beautiful plants and flowers of different types. And we see hawkers who sell balloons, cotton candy, toys and ice cream. Now let us see the next exercise. Song time. Let us sing a song. I like to sing when the sun is shining. Tra la 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 la, tra la la la. I like to sing when the sun is shining. Tra la 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 la, tra la la la. Wow, amazing! I hope you liked singing this song. Now let's see the final question. The child in the poem feels very happy after waking up in the morning. Do you like to wake up in the morning? How do you feel after waking up? Why do you feel so? What will be your answer, friends? Yes, I like to wake up in the morning. I feel very happy because the sun shines, birds and bees sing and the cool little wind runs in the morning. Gives pleasure to all. Friends, I hope you understand the poem and learned the questions and their answers too. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friends too. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye.